Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have about 1 yard of fabric, but it's actually more than 1 yard, but we are going to be using 1 yard. And when we folded it into 4, we folded it into 2 first, then we'll go ahead and fold it again. That is 4. So I'm going to be using this chalk. This is a white background dress, so I'm going to be using this chalk. So the chalk is not really going to be visible on this dress, but I'm going to make sure that I explain it for you to understand. So this is just what we have here. So 1 yard can make that dress for you, and if you want it to be bigger than that, you can go ahead and do more than 1 yard. So what we are going to do, just go ahead and fold it, as I said, into 4, because we are going to be cutting the front and the back together. And the length of this dress is 35. Yes, I use length 35. You can do more than that. Just add, like I've already said, you must not do what I did. So, and then we're going to be marking our shoulder divided by 2. If your shoulder is 15, just divide it into 2. And whatever it gives you, just go ahead and mark it just as you see me do in this video. You guys, thank you for always watching my videos, but please, I want you guys to do something for me. Please always comment, say something. I don't just want it to look like this place is silent, it's quiet. Please interact with me now. Thank you, I love you. So now we're going to extend the sleeve. So I'm going to be extending my sleeve by 10, but later I'm going to add about 1 inch. That is for our sewing allowance, and then I'm going to come down and mark 10. That is where it's going to be. That is how deep I want my sleeve to be. You can do 11, you can do 12. You want it to be very big. So me, I just came down and marked 10. So I just go ahead and draw a straight line so that I will know the length of my sleeve. So now I'm going to be marking the neck width. That is the wideness of my neck. I'm going to be marking 3.5. Yes, I did 3.5. You can do 3, and then this is going to be the back neck depth. So I just mark 1.5. You can do 1 inch. So just know that this is a cut together front and back dress. So I'm not going to be marking the front neckline. You know, this is a kimono. This is a kimono dress. So I'm not going to be marking the front neckline here. So I'm going to come down and mark from my shoulder to my bust. Yes, from my shoulder to my bust point, and then from that bust point I'm going to be dividing my hip measurement by 4, and then I'm going to be adding about 3 inches sewing allowance. So divide your bust by 4. You can go ahead and add more than 3. You can add 5 inches sewing allowance depending on how big you want your dress to be. And then I'm going to take that same measurement down to the hemline. I'm going to go ahead and mark it, and then I'm just going to go ahead and draw a straight line. So just go ahead and mark the wideness of your dress at several points so that you'll be able to connect them together without making any mistake. So you guys, I hope you're understanding what I am saying. So on the sleeve line, just go ahead and cuff it, then join it together with the sleeve length. So on the armhole cuff, just cuff it and then join it together with the sleeve length. Please, just as I said, if you don't understand what I am saying, please comment, tell me the part that you don't understand. I will explain. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut it out just as seen, where our dress is ready. So just cut out the neck, and then go ahead and cut out the bodies. So, and then join it to the armhole, and then I cut out the sleeve. So this is our kimono. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. You can see I did not open up the shoulder line, so I'll just go ahead and open it up like this, and then I'm going to go ahead and mark 1 inch. I'm just mark 1 inch, and then I'm going to join it together, connect it to the neckline, and I'm going to go ahead and cut it out. You can do 2 inch depending on how you want. I just said this kimono does not really, you're just going to design it according to your tastes. So, but this is just the basic on how you're going to achieve how you can cut it. So I'm going to go ahead and hem the neck from the neckline all the way to the hemline. I'm going to go, that is the front piece, and this is it. I've gone ahead to hem it. So this is our front dress. So the next thing we're going to do is to go ahead and hem the sleeve I'm going to do half inch, and then I'm going to fold in half inch again. That is giving us 1 inch. So just go ahead and do it, and then this is it after folding it in. And this is the other side of our sleeve. As you can see, our kimono is coming, it's coming together. And then for the inseam, that is the side, I'll just go ahead and start from the sleeve. I'm going to sew 1 inch. I'm going to stitch down 1 inch to all the way down to the hemline. Just as you see, just the way I'm directing my hand, the way my hand is going, that is how you're going to do. And you guys, this is it. Our dress is ready. Just go ahead and iron it. At this point, you can even wear your clothes and go out without even hemming the down part. But of course, you have to hem it. Your dress needs to always look beautiful. So I'm going to just go ahead and hem it. I'm going to be hemming this hemline. I'm going to be doing half an inch, and then I'm going to fold in another half an inch, and then I'm going to go ahead and stitch it all the way down, and then I will bring it back and show you guys. You guys, this is my kimono. This is the dress. This is a beach dress. I'm making it for a customer for this Valentine. So what are you waiting for? Why not order beautiful beach dresses from us in bulk? If you wanted to send it to your country, to your state. This person is not in my state, so I have to do it because I have to do it, and then I'm going to wheel it to our location. So I'm going to be sewing the bikini pants and the bikini bra. So, and you guys are going to be seeing the full set of this dress, 4-in-1 dress. So you guys are going to see it. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and comment. I love you guys. Bye.